What's up, YouTube? Assassin Brony here. I'm still kind of recovering from a cold I had, but I had my unboxing video scheduled, and I had to do it. So, as you can kind of see, I got my new daggers in today. Actually, it was yesterday I got them. But I was really sick, so I had to postpone it. But let's open these up. Oh, come on. Holy crap. That's actually not what I was expecting. Because when I had bought them, it said dagger and short sword. But honestly, to me, these actually look a lot like daggers. Okay, let's actually take one out and see what it looks like here. Holy crap. Let's get it out of the sheath here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Holy crap, look at that. Damn. Now that would inflict some serious damage. It's actually pretty light too. Kind of easy for a quick stab in and stab out. Well, let's put this back in the sheath. Again, I'm going to attempt. I only have one hand free. No, come here. Up, get the chain out of the way. Come on, come on. There you go. And back in your box. Anyway, guys, if you liked this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will